Vidya Bharati Weekly English News Bulletin. Let's begin with the Subhashit and Amrit Vachan by Sanskrit Vishay Pramukh Shri Buddhyaraj.
प्राप्ते भया परित्राणं प्रीति विश्रम्भभाजनं केन रत्नमिदं श्रेष्ठम् भला मित्र, ये दो अक्षरों वाला रत्न रूप शब्द किसने रचा है, जो डर के आने पर रक्षा करता है और पूर्ण रूप से विश्वास का पात्र है। अमृत वचन। कर्तव्य और कर्म जिसके पास है, बस समझो जीत उसके पास है। भारत माता की जय।
Now let's take a look at the last week's headlines. Savdeshi Saptah is being celebrated in all the Vidya Mandirs from September 25th to October 2. A wave of enthusiasm and curiosity ran among the students with the stay of an ISRO senior scientist Dr. Sudesh Ji in Punjab. Creation of Surbhi Diye started in Rattewal. On the occasion, Shri Vijay Nadda said that Sarvitkari has taken a step towards skillful employment, indigenous and self-reliant India. Vidya Bharati became the largest non-government registered alumni organization that has overtaken the University of USC. Malerkotla Vidya Mandir exceeds the number of students before Corona. On the occasion of 400th birth anniversary of Shri Guru Tegh Bahadur Ji, the Tricolor Yatra meeting of the Ludhiana and Amritsar departments concluded. Parivar Prabodhan program was organized at Barnala Vidya Mandir. Society-based educational organizations are extending a helping hand towards Sarvitkari. Various Vidya Mandir officials visited to the different departments of Vidya Bharati. Bal Sanskar Kendra inaugurated at Malerkotla dedicated to 400 Prakash Utsav of Shri Guru Tegh Bahadur Ji. Vidya Bharati became a helping hand for Monica, a former student of Sarvitkari Vidya Mandir Maghu. Now news in detail. From September 25th, the birth anniversary of Pandit Deen Dayal Ji, till October 2, the birth anniversary of Mahatma Gandhi Ji, Savdeshi Week is being celebrated in all the Vidya Mandirs. On the occasion of the Savdeshi Week, a resolution was taken for the self-reliant India, in which all the students and teachers of Vidya Mandir took an oath to adopt Savdeshi and took a pledge to actively participate in Savdeshi Bhav Savdeshi movement. Self-reliant India will be made only when today's students become a good citizen. This was said by Dr. Sudesh Ji, an ISRO senior scientist. It is worth mentioning that Dr. Sudesh Ji's stay is going on in all the Sarvitkari Vidya Mandir of Punjab from 24th September, which will continue till 4th October. Many programs are being organized during his stay. The students are thrilled to see the great scientist of ISRO accompanying them. A direct meeting with the scientists of ISRO is a historic thing in itself for the children. Chairman of Education Committee, Mr. Jaidev Vatish said, Dr. Sudesh's stay in Punjab will prove to be milestone for the encouragement of children. About 5 years ago, today, Swami Ram Tirtha Ji had given land and building to start a skill center in Rattewal to provide employment to the local people. After many experiments, Surbhi Diye is now being made. With this, Sarvitkari has taken a step towards skillful employment, indigenous and self-reliant India. These sentimental words were expressed by Shri Vijay Nadda Ji, Organizing Secretary of Vidya Bharati, North Zone. It is noteworthy that about 15 local women and men engaged in making diyas are earning their livelihood here. So far, 70,000 diyas have been created. The target is to make 2 lakh diyas.
ਤੁਸੀਂ ਕੀ ਕਰ ਰਹੇ ਹੋ? ਗੋਬਰ ਗੁੰਨ ਰਹੇ ਹੋ ਹੱਥ ਨਾਲ? ਵੈਰੀ ਗੁੱਡ। ਇੱਧਰ ਡਾਈਆਂ ਦੇ ਨਾਲ ਹੱਥ ਦੀ ਮੈਨੂਅਲ ਪ੍ਰੋਸੈਸਿੰਗ ਹੋ ਰਹੀ ਹੈ। ਇੱਧਰ ਵੀ ਦੀਦੀ ਲੱਗੇ ਹੋਏ हैं और बड़े खूबसूरत दीवे डिज़ाइनर। कितने अच्छे दीवे बने हुए हैं। सत श्री अकाल दीदी, की हाल है? किन्ने दीवे रोज़ दे बना रहे तुसी? वैरी गुड। एक जना, दो जने, बहुत वधिया, बहुत अच्छा दीवा बनाया बड़े साइज़ का, बहुत वधिया। 800 दीवा दो जाने मिल के। वैरी गुड, बहुत अच्छा। इधर तुसी की कर रहे हो जी बेटे? हाँ जी, कलर। वेरी गुड, वो तैयारी चल रही है कलर वास्ते, है ना? बहुत अच्छा बेटा, वेरी गुड जी। सत श्री अकाल भाजी, की हाल है? सत श्री अकाल। मैनूं लगदा आपां परिवार दे विच ही बैठे है ना? बच्चा भी नाल लिआंदा होया, ये खेडदा रहिंदा होना। देखो कितना वधिया परिवार दा माहौल है ना? ते सारिआं नूं कारोबार रोजगार मिलिआ, बहुत वधिया।
Last week, the meetings of the Alumni Council of Hoshiarpur, Hajipur and Boha Sankuls were held, in which Jitendra Sharma ji, the Prant Prabhari of the Alumni Council, said that Vidya Bharati has become the largest non-government registered alumni organization that has overtaken the University of USA. He further said that our goal is to register 50,000 alumni of Punjab on the Vidya Bharati portal dedicated to the 50th year of Sarvikari Shiksha Samiti. To fulfill this, meeting of all alumni are being held at Vidya Mandir level. On the one hand, the whole world was wreaking havoc due to the global pandemic corona, while the principal of Malerkotla Sarvikari Vidya Mandir, Mr. Prem Singh Khemta ji, was taking it as a challenge, not considering it as a crisis, and its results are in front of us. Let's see the video of Shri Khemta ji's interview.
So I'm just talking about here that during the COVID period, how we were able to bring our strength back in the school. Strength of the students, strength of the teachers, strength of the whole environment of the school. There were only two things that we started working a little earlier, when knowing that some COVID kind of things can happen in the country. It was 22rd when Prime Minister Modi ji announced this COVID period in the entire country. But before that, we had started at least 10 days earlier, sitting with the teachers, preparing certain videos, certain study material, and contacting those all people who were masters in the online teaching and online spheres. We made a team of 5 to 6 digital known people of our schools, that was computer teachers and all. And very fantastic thing that we had a quite sufficient material of 2-3 months advanced material before this COVID period started. And on 26th of March, we had a first class after the result was announced through online method. The class went so well, and thereafter the teachers were trained. The one thing that I want to add here is that all the teachers of this my school are known to computer. 2 महीने तक हमने किसी पेरेंट्स को फीस के लिए कहा नहीं, जो भर गए वो ठीक है, नहीं भरे वो भी ठीक है। लेकिन 2 महीने के बाद हमने टीचर से एक मीटिंग करने के बाद ये तय किया कि हम सब 10-10 पेरेंट्स को अपने कांटेक्ट करेंगे, जो हमारे बहुत नज़दीक या जिनको हम मानते हैं कि हमारी बातों को बहुत सावधानी से सुनते हैं। ऐसी एक टीम मैंने कोई 150-200 पेरेंट्स की अपनी सूची तैयार की, जिनको टेलीफोन किए, कुछ लोगों से मिले कि आपको स्कूल की फ़ीस भरनी चाहिए, स्कूल चलना ही फीसों से हैं। तो मुझे बताते हुए बड़ा हर्ष हो रहा है, मैं धन्यवाद दूंगा सभी पेरेंट्स को कि उन्होंने हमारी बात को 99.9% पेरेंट्स ने स्वीकार किया और ये कहा कि हम स्कूल के साथ खड़े। वैसे मैं ये मानता हूँ कि विद्या भारती के लोग हैं, वी आर स्कूल विद सम अदर पर्पस, वी आर स्कूल विद द डिफरेंस। हम कोई सामान्य स्कूल नहीं है कि जहाँ पर कोई बिजनेस होता हो, कुछ होता हो। इस करके पेरेंट्स का नज़रिया हमारे प्रति अलग से था, क्योंकि उसका बैकग्राउंड भी बड़ा अच्छा है पास्ट का हमारे स्कूल का। तो उसको देखते हुए सभी पेरेंट्स ने बड़े अच्छी तरह से सारी चीज़ों को किया। और जो समय की बात इसमें आएगी कि समय मैंने कितना लगाया, तो मैं निश्चित तौर से कह सकता हूँ कि जो समय मैंने विद्या भारती के काम काज में, स्कूल के काम में सामान्यतः लगाता हूँ, उसे कम से कम 4 से 5 घंटे और अधिक लगे प्रतिदिन के हिसाब से। यानी कभी 16 घंटे, कभी 18 घंटे, इस प्रकार से लगा करके, क्योंकि अलग अलग फील्ड में काम करना होता था। तो हमारे टीचर ने जिस तरह से पेरेंट्स के साथ अप्रोच किया, बच्चों के साथ अप्रोच किया, इवन कि कोविड के उस पीरियड में भी हमने पेपर कैसे कंडक्ट किए घरों में जाकर के बच्चों के साथ, तो उससे पेरेंट्स को लगा कि दीज पीपल आर डिफरेंट पीपल, ये लोग बच्चों के कल्याण के लिए ज़्यादा चिंतित है बजाय इसके कि फीस एक इशू है। फीस तो जब बच्चा स्कूल में तो भरेंगे ही।
On the occasion of 400th birth anniversary of Shri Guru Tegh Bahadur Ji, Tricolor Yatra meetings were held at Jeera of Ludhiana Department and at Madhav Vidya Niketan of Amritsar Department. In these meetings, the guidance of Shri Bodhraj Ji, Shri Budyaram Ji and Shri Surendra Ji was received. In these meetings, there was a detailed discussion about the organization of program. On 23rd September, Parivar Prabodhan program was held at Sarvitkari Senior Secondary Vidya Mandir Barnala, in which the guidance of Parivar Prabodhan Pramukh of Punjab, Mr. Vijay Anand, was received. Shri Vijay Anand Ji told about the declining importance of rituals taking place in the modern era, which is affecting the families. Society-based educational organizations are extending a helping hand towards the welfare of all. A UKG student of Kanpur Vidya Mandir, Ridit's parents helped the student studying in the same class by paying his fees for the whole year. Nakul Mahajan, a former student of Mukerian Vidya Mandir, who is currently working as a manager in a bank in Perth, Western Australia, presented a cheque of 12,000 for the development of Shishu Vatika. Similarly, in Taragar, former Vidhayak Mrs. Seema Ji's husband, Mr. Vinod Ji, gave a cement and sand. Various Vidya Mandir officials visited to the different departments of Vidya Bharati to accelerate the functioning of respective departments. Chandigarh and Ropar Vibhag, Palak Shri Chandrahas Gupta Ji stayed at Sirhind Vidya Mandir. Shri Roshan Lal Ji, Prant Yoga Head Shri Vipin Ji and Prant Kam Yoga Pramukh stayed in Pakbara, while retired PES Shri Kamal Kant Airy's stay in Jagrao and Makku was over. Sarvitkari Vidya Mandir, Malerkotla opened a Bal Sanskar Kendra dedicated to 400th Prakash Utsav of Shri Guru Tegh Bahadur Ji in village Banbora. On the occasion of its inauguration, village Panch, Sarpanch, Panchayat members and the people of the village as well as the parents of the children were present. 26 students have registered in the Sanskar Kendra. With the help of Sarvitkari Vidya Mandir Makku and Sarvitkari Shiksha Samiti Punjab, Monica, an alumnus of Sarvitkari Vidya Mandir Makku, who is a heart patient and has a hole in her heart, was given a cheque of rupees 27,850 by Vidya Mandir principal Shri Budyaram Ji and Pradhan Satpal Dua Ji. Now let's see one news, one photo. Top 10 students of 40D Chandigarh of classes 10th and 12th were honoured by Social Welfare Association. COVID test was conducted of all the students and staff members in Chandigarh Vidya Mandir 43 Chandigarh. Letter of appreciation was presented to the Bharpur Singh of Shri Tarachand Sarvitkari Vidya Mandir by 3 Punjab Novel Unit of NCC. International Daughters Day was celebrated at Khamano Vidya Mandir. Mrs. Gurvinder Kaur assumed the responsibility of officiating in charge of Dera Baba Nanak Vidya Mandir. Home contact campaign is being carried out by the teachers of Dinanagar Vidya Mandir. The foundation day of NSS was celebrated by planting trees in Rampura. See you next week with new headlines. Thank you.